Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Genius credit card review. Find you everything you need about Genius. Most common questions: what is Genius credit card? A fully digital credit card. Apply, active and manage your credit card digitally from this Genius app. What makes Genius credit card difference? Full online application and activities. Manage limit as you need, request for up to 5 additional cards, block unlock card directly from the app, easily convert transaction to the installment, automatically pay mobile bills, monthly bills, instantly get a virtual card after activation, free annual fee for the 5 years. What makes Genius credit card difference? Now you can have a credit card, and simply apply, activate, and manage it from the Genius application. Manage your personal cash flow more easily because now you can do things without making less of finance. Who can have a Genius credit card? Genius user with active Flexi Cash, Genius user who don't have Flexi Cash yet, and new Genius user. Application and activity: Genius credit card. Who gets the Genius credit card offer? The Genius credit card offer is valid for selected Genius user with active flexible cash. Genius user with active flexible cash can actively directly. Genius user who flexible cash is not yet activate must submit an application to activate. User without active Flexi Cash and new Genius user can also apply for Genius credit card. Where can I see Genius credit card offer? Update for U-box of homepage, credit menu on the wealth page, credit card menu on card page. What is the benefit from the Genius credit card offer? You do not have to apply to active your Genius credit card. I got an offer. How to activate my Genius credit card? Tap the Genius credit card banner on the update for your box, review and inform your previous. Tap on the tab on next card. Thank you so much for watching this video.